Let's get started. This is a face-to-face debate competition, come poster debate competition where two groups from batch advanced 2 are going to face each other. Like this is the group which strongly believes that they are not free and safe, secure, and protected in the state of Pakistan. On the other side, on the other dimension, these two students believe that they are entirely free. They can freely move, they can freely do each and everything in this beautiful state of Pakistan. So, without further ado, let's move to the very first student. Why do you think you're free?
So, as a nation, as a Pakistani, as a human, we are free. You know, we have the ability to do something new. We are capable for everything. Similarly, if you can speak, if you can dream, and if you can stand here today and challenge me, it's mean you are free. Because in places without freedom, debate like this don't exist. That's enough for me.
Human beings are born free. Without freedom, human being doesn't exist. Like you support her, and why would you think you're free?
I,
Only introduce yourself.
this is Osama Shah, and I think so. I'm free because I can live easily, I can share my opinion, and I cannot relate to Palestine, Kashmir, or even to Korea.
Okay.
This is enough for me.
Right. So now you can look at the board. This board is entirely decorated, and this is garnished and adorned. And at the top of the board, you will find we are not free. A country which got freedom almost 70 or 80 years ago, but still there raises a question that we are not secure, we are not free. This is the moment of concern for all of us, and these students believe that they are not free, and let's see how they are going to react.
So, Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Afsar Rahman. Today I'm here not to repeat what we read in history. Today I'm here to talk about, ask a question that are we really free? Say that we are free as a nation, as a, we are free 78 years ago, free as a country 78 years ago. We all know Pakistan have got independence in 1947. I'm saying that our country is free, but our peoples are not free.
Our country is free with only meaningless thought, just because the people living in it, the inhabitants living in it, they are not free at all. Yes.
Sir,
we
I
got you.
disagree to those people who says that we are free. I completely disagree to this point that we are not free because we can't go outside freely. When we go
Okay.
out, we carry a we carry a fear in our heart, not knowing what will happen with us. And the special thing is that 14 August is not our Independence Day. It's our separate country day. On this day, we got our country, but we are still not free.
Big point comes around that on 14th August 1947 we got a separate country, but we are still enslaved, we are still not free, we are still chained, we are still behind the bars. Maybe we are not mentally and psychologically free. Yes, who is going to react? You.
So I want to tell you, I strongly believe that we are free. Let's see. I want to ask you a simple question to both of you. Can you take a breath? Yes or no? Can you take a breath? Can you eat food when you are hungry? Can you
But
do?
not every people of Pakistan. Some people of Pakistan
I'm
didn't
just
take.
asking to you both.
I'm answering you.
Only reply the question.
Many people of Pakistan are not eating proper food.
You think so? Many Pakistan people does not have the food to eat.
Yeah.
Then this is just because of their poverty. They don't have
Yeah.
the money. This is not the business of a state. Okay, we know that this is a sort of state problem to means give them food. But if government is unable to give food to someone, then how could you say that it is?
Well,
It is just because of poverty.
I want to say something that Palestinian peoples and Kashmiri peoples are not free, but they will eat something
and they are still alive because they are eating something, they are drinking something, and they are taking breath, but they are not free. And in Kashmir, in Palestine, there are so many bomb blasts happens, and the Israeli army and Indian army will torture them, kill them. But what happened in our country also same. Look at these pictures. There are so many bomb blasts happen in recent 2 years, 2022, 23 and 24. What do you say about this thing?
Do you agree that these attacks are terrorist attacks?
I don't know.
Okay,
Who-
no, this is the reality that these attacks are terrorist attacks. Everyone believes that. How could you say that?
I just want to say that we are attacked. I didn't mean who are attacking us.
Okay.
I just want to
Okay.
say that we are being
We are
attacked.
I agree, we are attacked, but who attacked us? This is the matter. Who attacked us?
I said I don't want to know that who is
Then
attacking
if-
us.
then if
I
you
just
say that-
want to know why we are attacked.
Why we are attacked? Okay, if you say that you are attacked, I say that I'm not attacked. Still, if they are attacked, this is just because of the extremism or sort of thought. The extremism thought is. I'm not saying that every person with a beard is a terrorist. I'm not talking such sort of idea which recently arrived from India. I'm talking about that means all these attacks are terrorist attacks, and terrorists are everywhere, and they do their job without means any concern about the people, about any personality, or about any means state.
Why in other countries the terrorist attacks are less than our country?
This is just because of extremism thoughts, which are arrived just because of that. One say we are free, and one say that we are not free.
But I have proved.
You have proof. I am also giving you the proof. Because
Okay.
you say that you are not free,
Yeah.
I say that I am not free, and I will think the extreme thoughts of being free, and you will think the extreme thoughts of not being free. This is the reality. Is this the reality? Yes or no?
Listen,
Yes, is
listen,
it?
listen. I'm replying you that I'm not free because I can't go out freely. Even some days ago, I was absent at ELSA for so many days. The reason behind is that my brother is not at home, and I can't free to go out by myself. I can't free to go out to take my classes. So it's proved that I am not free.
Okay. She came a couple of days ago, alone from her home. She came. This is the reality? We all saw this. If you are giving the proof of yours, then I can give the proof of her.
She
Does
comes
she
with
really
her. She comes with
No,
her.
she came alone a couple of days ago. This is indeed a reality. She was absent at that day.
But we are scared because the incidents happens. Just look at these pictures. There are so many girls who go out lonely and they can't return home.
First
with-
and foremost, the picture of his Benazir. And
Yeah.
you recently told a couple of days ago it was means superhero or hero presentation going on.
Yeah.
When you said that Benazir invented a program named as DISP, Benazir Income Support Program, which
Yeah.
does not really means give any support to us. And this is why I
It's
don't.
completely
Okay.
different
Let
thing.
me complete first. And I don't think so that she is a good leader. Okay. And I think so that she was just killed because of her problem issues with her husband.
Listen.
I'm being quite. I don't want Dala to come. Okay, but leave this point. But she was killed just because of her personal issues with her husband.
Okay. What about Zainab? What about Dr.
Okay,
Afia Siddiqui?
Dr. Afia
What
Siddiqui.
about
Dr. Afia
Mishra?
Siddiqui was arrested in which case? Do you know?
I don't know, but I just know that our
I know. She was means arrested. She is still in America just because of terrorist case.
so
You know terrorists are. Do you think so? Terrorists are good people? You
Of
think
course
so?
not.
You think so?
Of course not.
Of course not. Then how could she be free?
And what about Zainab? Is she also terrorist?
Who is Janab? I don't know. Could you please enlighten?
She is a 7 or 8 years old girl, which was raped and killed, and we
Killed.
found her body in Rishikesh.
brutally raped. This is okay. She was brutally raped. This is because the means a sort of. I am not being so much a lot of what can I say personal or non-ethical, but this is just because of a thing which really lies in every person, in a woman, in a sort of hormonal issue which really exists. And if they are killed, then their case must be fought. Okay,
Yeah.
her case was fought. Though people have protested for justice for her.
Of course.
Okay, this is how they are free. If you can share your opinion, then you are free. If you are mentally not arrested, if you are mentally independent, you have freedom to think everything, then how you are free, totally free.
Well, I don't want to share this incident with you, but when I was in first year class, I was going back to my home from my college, and suddenly I don't know, a boy come and he give me his number, and next day he hold one of my friend's hand and he asked her to give this number to her friend. Like he asked her to give this number to me. In exactly what he said, that he number रख तू ब हथ जले चई नंबर रख ऐं तू ब ॻाल्हाए जा पंहिंजी दोस्तनि चश्मे वारी हुनखे बि चइजां ॻाल्हाए जा. Do you still say that we are free when an incident like that happened to me?
Okay, this incident happened to you, and
With me and my friend.
It means such sort of incidents happen every day in this state of Pakistan. So this means those criminals, these rogues are free. They are not caught and severely punished. That's why their freedom, our freedom, is at stake, and we believe that we are not free.
have you protested against him?
What?
Have you protested against him?
Of course not.
Okay,
If
okay,
I do
okay,
such
okay.
kind of thing, then it will. Then people will
It
talk
will-
about
it
me. They
it
will call
think-
me
it will think-
characterless.
Okay, okay, value. Okay, now let's tell you.
And
in this-
listen, bro.
in this- in
today
this-
I
in this
don't want
street.
to share this incident with
Okay.
you, but
Okay, I really don't mean this. Okay, but a couple of days ago, not couple of days ago, but couple of months ago, in this street, there is a rickshaw driver from this side who is by caste Mangrio, and I personally know him, and he punished a couple of means boys who were means flirting with the means girls which he was picking in his rickshaw.
I want to say that in other countries, when boys do such kind of thing, when they harass a girl or other cases, they will get punishment. But why don't our country
How
will
will
give
they
them
get
punishment?
punishment if you will not tell this to anyone?
Because
How could-
because we are not feeling
Do people
free.
cement?
If I complain against them, then the whole society, the people will also go against me. They will call me characterless.
They will call you characterless. Do you really care about people?
Of course,
Do
it's
you-
about respect of my parents, so I have to care
Okay,
about
okay,
them.
Okay. People
And-
also say that in our society, co-education is not quite good, is not quite better. People do say that.
Yeah.
Okay, then why are you here? It's sorry, I don't want to be such. Don't want to ask such a question, but our topic is related to this.
Because my
Don't
family
take
is supporting me.
Your family is supporting me.
Yeah.
If your family has supported you at that incident when a boy came gave number to you,
Because
then how
they
could
are
you?
not harassing me. They are not talking to me. Have you ever saw me talking to them? Are they talking to me? Because
Okay.
it's a secure area. No one can do anything to me right here.
Okay, means you told that okay, it is a secure area, and I totally agree with you. But you said that you care about people. What people will say you, people will call you characterless and all that things. If you do really care about people, people also say that co-education is not good. Why are you here? And if you are here and you say that your people, your father, mother, and your parents, your family does really support you, then why don't you told them that time? If you can rely on them
Listen,
at-
listen.
right now, then how
The
could you?
incident that happened with me and my friend, I told my parents and also my family and the family of my friend. My friend also tell her family about this incident, and they will like beat this boy very much. And after that, that boy didn't come after us. But actually, I want to say that he will get punishment.
Okay, it's
By
we're getting
law,
too
by
much,
government.
and we will move somehow ahead. Do you have any other thing to say?
I want to ask a question that I was saying that our peoples are not free. My question is that when peoples are not free in our society, in our country, there are lots of incidents happen, and why we have not rights to get justice?
Why don't we have rights to get justice?
I think I know it's a very emotional situation that's happening in Pakistan, but it's not mean that we are not free. We also stand for the justice. It means our freedom is under the threat. We must protect it,
Freedom is under the threat.
and we must
That means
protect
you are
it.
not free.
No, I'm free.
I'm only, you know, there are a lot of incidents happen in a couple of days ago. There are a lot of incident. Actor Humaira Asghar, and there are a lot of incident happen. They have no get justice. Why? And if we are, I was also said we are free to as a country. Our country is free, but our peoples are not free, and there are mostly in recent time, mostly our women are not free. They want to go out, and but they are not safe. When they are not safe, how can we say that they are free and we are free?
I want to tell you, behind these cases, there is a motive. Only because of that, they are killed and murdered. Without any motive, nobody would any killed.
Is any motive to the case of behind the case of Khatija Raimo?
Yes,
What?
the property.
But she is not wrong.
Okay, you always know that what goes around comes around. Do you really agree to this point? What goes around comes around.
Yeah.
What you sow, so shall you reap. If, sorry, sir, I'm just in debate. Okay, I'm not being so. Okay, just take it as debate. If your father will do corruption, you are against corruption. Okay, you are. And if your father will do corruption, if your father will do such a sort of injustice to people, then injustice will really happen to you.
So you mean that Mr.
Okay, then how could means he was a Mukhtar Kar, and I know a couple of Mukhtar Kars personally. Their salary is about 1 lakh, and if he was a Mukhtar Kar means in 110 or 10 in the starting of this century, then his salary must be about 40 or 50,000. Then how could he buy 100 acres land through his salary of 40,000? Why don't you buy this?
What about their generation property? Their parents leave their property for them.
Okay, you think so? If her grandparents left the property, then they really have means earned that property through it was a common business. Means after at the time of independence, or after in 60s, 70s, 80s of sir, we say in Dhati, I don't know this name, in illegal gold selling. We karo dano. Jake pancho. This is just black money. This is the black money. If they have sold, and I don't know that means if British people have looted all the means sympathy and of we people, then how could we be rich?
Sir, don't you think it's going to be personal for?
Okay, we should leave this. We should leave this.
Well, I have.
We are ending this point.
I want to say something about this.
Okay.
Okay.
You all have got a lot many things. You all have got a lot many things, and we are ending here
Okay.
with last thought. As we are not talking about Imran Khan, you believe that you are free.
I am free.
Pakistan is free.
Yeah.
Qaid-e-Azam got us freedom.
Yeah.
So what Qaid-e-Azam said?
Qaid-e-Azam said, sir,
You are
which I
free?
really read since this time.
You are free.
I'm in 10th class. The statement of him, which is written in 10th class PS book, I don't really remember
What
the
he
page
said?
number.
What he
He said that you are free in Pakistan. You can live freely in Pakistan. You can eat freely. You can
Okay.
get education
So,
freely. Okay, sir.
Other point that you said that if you get shooted, it's your fault. In India, before 1947, people used to be shooted. There was no equality. There was no
I'm
justice.
not talking about the people. I'm talking about the politicians. I'm quite much.
So what if politician doesn't get justice? Qaid-e-Azam himself
I
did
know,
not get any justice. Like it was not a natural death; it was a cold-blooded murder. So the one who was the freedom fighter, the one who was the leader,
Sir.
he himself got killed. Okay, there are so many questions and there is a lot much thing. Okay, nobody knows the real cause behind the death of
I know some
Qaid-e-Azam
other,
Muhammad Ali Jinnah,
things also.
and there are so many murders, yet they are not known at all. We are free, but there is a big question whether we are really free or not. We should achieve a lot more things. We should make a pledge today that all the things what Qaid-e-Azam insisted us to do, We should do that. We should create camaraderie. We should create brotherhood. Let not be the controversies and hate. We should not spread in this beautiful state of Pakistan. And with this last point, Pakistan Zindabad and happy 14th August, the day of separation and independence to all of you. With this, we are
Day of Independence.
there should be clapping 12.